In this lecture, we will discuss what is phosphodiester bond and how it forms. So a phosphodiester bond is a covalent bond formed between the phosphate group of one nucleotide and the hydroxyl group of the other nucleotide. This bond creates a sugar phosphate backbone of the DNA and as well as in RNA. So we know that, so this is a single structure of a nucleotide. We know that a nucleotide has a pentose group, okay, which is a 5 carbon sugar. And at carbon number 1 of this pentose sugar, we have a nitrogenous base. At carbon number 3, we have a hydroxyl group. And at carbon number 5, we have a phosphate group. Okay, so because the phosphate connects two sugars through two ester bond, it is called phosphodiester bond. We will discuss what it is. Okay, so here we have a so this is the structure of a single nucleotide and this is the structure of an other nucleotide. So here you can see that there is a bond formation occur between this carbon number 3 of one nucleotide and this carbon number 5 of the adjacent nucleotide. So the carbon number 3, the hydroxyl group at carbon number 3 and the phosphate group of carbon number 5 of another nucleotide, they make a bond by removing the water molecule. So the hydroxyl group from one nucleotide and the hydrogen from another nucleotide, they combine together and form a water molecule. Thus, what happens that this oxygen makes a bond with this carbon. Okay, so here we will, so in this case, the water molecule is removed and now we are left with the oxygen making a bond with this carbon number 3. So this is the phosphodiester bond. Phospho means phosphate, di means two, and as they are ester bonds, that's why they are called phosphodiester bonds. So this phosphodiester bond gives DNA and RNA their directionality from 5 prime to 3 prime, from 5 prime to 3 prime. Okay, so it forms the strong backbone that holds the genetic material together. It is created during DNA replication by DNA polymerase. We will discuss in our upcoming lectures. So yes, this is the single strand of a DNA molecule. In the previous class, if you remember, we studied about the hydrogen bond between the two strands. But in this case, in this lecture, we discuss how the single strand of a DNA molecule bind together. So this is the, they bind together with the help of a phosphodiester bond.